I'm going to play a song called Pocket Knife.
I've been broken in. When it pours on me, I can soak it all in. I'm alive, and my blood is pumping like a gaslight. Got an itch I'm holding, got an itch I'm holding. I got a rugged heart, I got a body made of bliss. I'm gonna keep them sharp like a pocket knife. Oh, gotta take it hard, gotta handle every day. I'm gonna keep them sharp like a pocket knife. It's not about how it breaks, it's how you're fixing it. You gotta be all in one for the life we're living in. I've been cutting teeth for a long time. Got an itch I'm holding, got an itch I'm holding. I got a rugged heart, I got a body made of bliss. I'm gonna keep them sharp like a pocket knife. Oh, gotta take it hard, gotta handle every day. I'm gonna keep them sharp like a pocket knife. Honey, I'm all bruised up from the places I've been, from the time I've been, from all the struggling. If you wanna make a point, then you gotta have an edge. If you wanna make a point, then you gotta have an edge. Like a pocket knife. Like a pocket knife. I got a rugged heart, I got a body made of bliss. I'm gonna keep them sharp like a pocket knife. Oh, gotta take it hard, gotta handle every day. I'm gonna keep them sharp like a pocket knife. Got a rugged heart, I got a body made of bliss. I'm gonna keep them sharp like a pocket knife. Oh, gotta take it hard, gotta handle every day. I'm gonna keep them sharp like a pocket knife.